Again, it's definitely dark here. So today what we'll be doing, we're going to do something very, very special today. Before we continue with our rainbow website series, I know it's been a while. We started with part 1, and yeah, before we get to part 2, I mentioned in the part 1 video that we're going to go over how to set up your CodePen. So here's it. Before we dive into how to create your account, what's CodePen exactly for those that are just new? So CodePen lets you write your HTML, your CSS, and your JavaScript code right in your browser. That means you don't need to download anything on your laptop at all. And this is a very, very perfect tool for a beginner. So in the next 5 to 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how to create a free account on CodePen and how to get your first pen started. So let's jump right in. So what is CodePen? CodePen is an online code editor. So you're going to think of it as like a Google Docs basically, but instead of Word documents, stuff like that, like normal text, this is for code. As I said, one of the reasons why we're using CodePen is because you don't have to install anything on your device, and it works on any device. You also save it online. You can save your project online. This serves as an intro for how you get organized and save your project on GitHub when you have it. And also, it makes when you want to share it with others, it makes it very, very easy to do that. And it's a perfect learning platform basically. CodePen, as you can see, this is how like the ID looks like basically, and it's completely free for whatever we are doing. So I'm going to show you how to sign up on CodePen. So the first step we are going to do is to type in CodePen. So I'm already showing CodePen.io and click enter, and this will bring us to our CodePen interface. So next we're going to click on our sign up button, and we have 3 options. You have the options to sign up with Google, you have the option of signing up with a GitHub account. So those of you of age that have a GitHub account, you can use, and you also have the option to sign up with your email. For me personally, I recommend using your email because it's simple and direct. Just click sign up with email. I'm going to enter my name, definitely that. And there you have it. Your account has been created, but you also need to, it's like the main stage of your account being created. You also need to go to your email and verify. So I'm going to go to my email, verify that. Okay. Yeah, I have verified my email. So because it's my email, I'm going to show you. I won't do that. It's so now we already have an account. This pop-up is going to show up. It's just to like give you an overview of what the interface looks like. So it's where you see it says, as you see, it's giving you that. It's also doing it. Looks like so. This is the live preview of exactly what you typed, and you put in your JavaScript. Yeah, you see when you add the JavaScript, you added the I right. And there's a lot of stuff you can control on this setting. I said control the okay. You can change the title of your project, that's your pen. You can put in your description, you can put in tags, or you can only put in up to 5 tags. Basically, so this is just an intro, basically. So these are just like the preview of how you show your website. I like it. If I click save, that should save. That's gonna save. And something that I always recommend people to do is to always turn on the autosave. Always turn on the autosave. There's something I want to go over because let's say you log in Friday. It's where you're going to sign as good to like click it. So basically, the first thing you're going to do is to click create. And we're going to create a pen. We can see a new pen, any of that. You can click on that, and this is going to give you a blank canvas whereby you have your HTML, your CSS, and your JavaScript. And I think I mentioned this before. We can change the template of how it looks like. You can leave it on the side, you can put it on top here, or you can do it the other way. So what the default template is going to show is this. So if I type in, this is just an example, this is not how you're supposed to write in HTML. Code I close my H1 header. So you can see as I'm typing it, it's showing all my previews. Like I can actually expand as much as I can. Okay. So now if you click save, it's gonna automatically save code. You can either edit it from clicking on your setting and editing your pen, or you can click on the edit button up here and type in the new pen, type in the name of your pen and click in. On that to save, you click the drop down menu and ensure this your autosave is turned on. Please let it be turned on, because once it's turned on, anytime you make changes, it automatically saves it. So you don't have to like, oh my god, my laptop shut down, my code is all gone. That trouble will be gone. And another step you can do is also every 5 to 10 minutes, always click on save to ensure that okay, the autosave working, that just in case for one reason or the other it is turned off. Or you can use the shortcut on your keyboard by pressing Ctrl S, which is a shortcut for saving a project. So now you can view your CodePen by going to codepen.io/your username, and that's where I say that please be careful of what username you're giving, because your username is public. So yeah, there you have it. Now we have our CodePen all settled. It's all settled, it's working fine. In the next video, we're going to be continuing on how we're going to build our rainbow website with our CSS styling. We're going to actually make it look like a rainbow. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, link is in the description below. Drop a comment. Let me know, have you created your CodePen account yet? What username did you pick? And I guess that's for the next video. So with that being said, I guess I'm gonna see you next time, keep coding, stay motivated, and I'll be back. And a great video. Bye.